Hello, in this video we will show you how to access Denodo from a different tool using a JDBC driver. JDBC, which stands for Java Database Connectivity, is the standard way for Java applications to connect to and interact with databases. Denodo comes with a JDBC driver which can be found in the Denodo platform directory. For this particular video, we will use DBVisualizer for our external tool. To add the Denodo driver, click on Tools and select Driver Manager. Over here in the Driver Manager, click on the Create a Driver icon. To the right where it says Driver Settings, you will enter the settings for your driver. We will name our driver, for example, VDP 6.0. Below, you will enter the format of your database URL. The format is JDBC : VDB : 2 the host : the port / and the name of the database. Below where it says driver class, you will add the driver from the Denodo directory. To do that, click on the file icon, and here you can see we've already opened up the Denodo platform directory. Double click on Tools, Client Drivers, JDBC, and you will find your driver here. Click Open, and once it is ready, with a green check mark next to your driver name, you can close the Driver Manager. The next step we need to take is establish a connection. To do that, click on the Create a Connection icon and select Use Wizard. We will name our connection, for example, Denodo Demo. Once you've chosen a name, click Next and select the driver you just created, VDP 6.0. Then click Next and you will enter the information for your connection. The database URL is JDBC : VDB : 2 localhost : the port 9999 / and the name of our database is Denodo _demo. Below where it says authentication, enter the credentials for your database, which are admin for the user ID and admin again for the password. Once you're done, click Finish, and you will see your connection has been established. You can click on the plus buttons to expand and see the tables in your database. Here where it says Database Connection, select the database we just connected to, and now we will execute a query to show you that it's been connected to properly. For example, select star from client, which is one of our tables, then click play, and you will see the data from client is returned. This is how you access Denodo from a different tool using a JDBC driver. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.